graphviz dot code of all components, and so you can see links in figure 2. For example, this is figure 2. I want to create its different variant. Now you can see one code will be generated quickly. Once this code is generated, after that I will be able to create its new variant. New figure will be created. Okay, but we should not feel happy. Okay, because if we will feel happy by watching that new image, it will create dopamine effect. So we will reduce it. We will see whether it is correct or not. Okay, we will have to refine it, and only then it will be in 0% AI plagiarism. Otherwise, it will come under plagiarism. Along with that, that particular diagram may be incorrect. Whatever diagram AI is generating, it may be incorrect. Okay, so we will see whatever code is generated, and after that, we will check whether it is correct or not. And this is the code. This is the code. This is known as diagram as code service. Okay, this particular code is generated by AI. It is a replica. It is creating another variant of this image. Now I will copy this code. I will paste this code in GraphViz online website. Okay, so I'm showing you at one point. This is figure 2 and this is GraphViz online. Whatever code I have copied from chat PDF, I will paste here. Now you will see this new variant is created. This is actual image, this is actual figure. From this actual figure I have recreated this figure. Okay, this is known as diagram as code service, and with this implementation any number of diagrams, any number of image recreations can be done. It means in prima facie, in first look, it looks that this image is created in this format. Now this new image is in 0% plagiarism, because nobody can say that it is a replica of this image. Okay, it means this particular diagram is recreated from this diagram, but actually it is dopamine effect. Dopamine effect means I am feeling happy, I am feeling satisfied that my new image is created, and now I will be able to submit this image in my research paper, in my presentation, and I will uh, describe it. But if I go through, if I check it, actually whether it is same replica or not, or something is missing or not. For example, very quickly I want to see optimization function, objective parameters. I want to see something is there, optimization is there, network simulation, processing simulation. So you can see that most of these things are available, but whether connections are okay or not, whether connections are suitable or are created properly or not. If connections are not created properly, this is known as AI hallucination. Actually, this very first time diagram that is created by AI, this is AI hallucinated diagram. In very first look, it is looking that my work is done. Whatever work was accepted in was expected in 2 to 3 hours, it is done in 2 to 3 seconds. But actually this particular diagram is not correct. By which way this particular diagram can be made correct? Okay, if I give its particular formation, for example, so what I will do, regenerate. So if I want to reduce, or if I want to remove AI hallucination, regenerate. Okay, about code. So some demonstration I'm showing you rather than complete, so that you will get idea in which. Okay, so I'm typing it not in notepad, after that I will paste. Okay, so that you will be able to see it clearly. Regenerate above graph with code dot code. Okay, for example, this one, network simulation. Okay, network simulation processing simulation, device simulation should be under optimization. So this is one part. So only this part I am showing you. Regenerate this one. Okay, so I am watching it. So whatever this diagram is generated, okay, this is also correct, but it is not 100% correct. Now I am removing hallucination part, this one, enter. So I am defining it very quickly. Now whatever diagram will be created, it will be effective, and along with that it will be acceptable. Otherwise, this particular diagram, there are lots of challenges, there may be lots of challenges that whether it is acceptable or not. We are making it submission ready. So you can see that this is the diagram, and this new particular code. So new code also we are taking from AI, but with human inputs, with human feedback. So this is human feedback. Now you can see that this one, now this is new diagram. Now what I have mentioned, that uh, optimization or some particular part should be under a specific segment. So you can see that now it is looking genuine. This is main optimization. Under that, device simulation, processing simulation, network simulation. In actual diagram also same thing available, same combination available. Okay, this is also under 0% plagiarism. Earlier diagram was also under 0% plagiarism, but main thing is that logic should be matched. There should be matching of logic. Now logic is matching. This is main optimization. With optimization, these three parts are associated. In this particular part also, this is optimization. These three parts are associated. At a later stage, we people face embarrassment, they face rejection, and again they come to that particular loop. And sometimes they say that AI is not useful. AI is useful, but how to use that particular platform? Now some more demonstration I will show you, so that it will be more clear. Okay, some paper I am taking. So this one is some report. I will see some if some diagram is available or not. So you can see that this is the paper in which this figure one. This paper is related to teaching learning, and for that I am using a software Charlie. Okay, you can use Chat PDF, you can use Charlie, UPDF, any software you can use. Okay, you can use Chat GPT also. Now in Charlie AI, I will upload that paper. So first of all, I'm deleting previous papers. And now I'm uploading one paper, that is AI education. Okay, now this paper is uploaded, and after getting this uploading this paper, we will perform some implementations. This is the paper, AI in education, and is this visible to all of you? Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, okay. Now see this very carefully what I'm doing. Okay, so this is figure one. I'm taking from this paper. Okay. Now with AI, I want to using a diagram as code service. I want to recreate this figure one. So I'm writing here. See this very carefully. Graphviz.code. Okay, generate graphviz.code of all components and links in figure 1. So in same way we write in chat PDF, in same way we write in UPDF, chat GPT, whatever it is, Gemini, Major thing is that we are recreating this image. I want to create another variant of the same diagram. I want to use it in my presentation or paper. So first of all, we will see what it will generate. It will generate some code. That's why we call it as diagram as code service. So this code is getting generated, you can see that. And this code as well as diagram will be plagiarism free. No need to worry about the plagiarism, because many times people are more focused only on plagiarism rather than concept. Okay, we have seen academicians, researchers, they have almost 100% focus on only plagiarism removal, only AI plagiarism removal, rather than that what is inside that content. Okay, AI plagiarism is 0%, plagiarism is 0%, but if that content is meaningless, how you will defend in viva? By which way we will defend in front of our managers? For example, some manager has given me some task, okay, that is without plagiarism, but how will I defend it? So first of all, we will see whether it is correct or not. This content I will copy. I will use that same website to create this image. Previous code I will delete. New code, whatever I have taken from this, I will paste. Now you can see this image is created. Okay, if I feel happy, okay, now this image is created, this figure one is created in this format. If I am feeling happy, I am feeling satisfied, it means there is dopamine effect. Dopamine is a term in neurology, okay, in brain science. It means we are feeling happy by watching something, by viewing something which may or may not be correct, but we assume that it is correct. As a researcher, as a content creator, uh, as a as a particular content writer, I am feeling happy that now this diagram is available. I will use in my presentation. But can you see, is it whether this image has something to do with this image or not? Okay, so I'm zooming it. Okay, opening it separately so that we can see it in larger format. Okay, so this is the paper. So we are not against AI. Major thing is that whatever content we are creating, whether it is whether it should be refined or not. Okay, so this is the image. Choose data set. In actual image, what is that? What is there? Choose data set, input data, train machine learning algorithm, test results. So I have given this particular input, but AI has given this output. This is also correct. We are not saying that it is not correct. It is also correct, but it should be refined. It should be made submission ready. I want to make it submission ready. For that, what we can do, either in Charlie, we can give same prompt. Okay, so I am opening this paper. Now I will give my own prompt. I will make it submission ready. I will make it acceptance ready if it is my, if it should be used in my paper or thesis, or I will have to present in viva. Okay, I will have to defend also. Update above. So I will copy it, code. Okay, in sequence. Choose data set, input data, ML algorithm, test result. Okay, with integration of, so this is known as prompt writing with integration of this one, intelligent agent for kids. Intelligent agent for kids. So by watching this image, I have given my particular input, copy. I will paste in same platform. I am asking Charlie to change this diagram, to change this code. Okay, because I am not satisfied with this code. This is hallucinated code. This code can give me happiness only. This code cannot give me acceptance. This code, this particular output can give me uh, temporary satisfaction that a new image is created. But how I will defend, by which way I will present this image? copy code and here paste. Now you can see this particular sequence. So in whatever sequence we have given, if we, so new diagram is created. If I want to put this one, integration of intelligent kids in between input data and ml algorithms. Okay, so what we can do, convert above code in vertical mix format with integration of which particular thing. For example, teachable machines, I want to add teachable machines. So rather than taking a particular content directly, we can refine it, copy code. Now that particular code we are pasting here. Now you can see this is foolproof diagram and it is manageable. It is explainable. Okay, nobody can say that what is meaning of this, it is wrong or it is meaningless. Earlier diagram, very first diagram that was created by AI, it was meaningless, it was not having very clear meaning. But as we have given particular prompt, okay, in that case we are making what we are doing, we are making it submission ready. Now we can download it. It is under 0% plagiarism. We will be confident in in explaining this. We will be confident in putting it in our presentation, in our paper, wherever. But whatever content we are generating, for example, very first diagram, so now you can compare yourself which is better. So what is the first diagram? This is the first diagram. This is very first diagram, and you will see whether it is correct or not. So both diagrams I will open. This is very first image. Okay, and this is the current image. Now you can imagine, as a teacher, as a professor, which is better, whether this is better or this is better. Okay, it is looking quite professional, scholarly and meaningful. Now in this particular, what is this? Okay, creating intelligent agents, creating models, demonstrating models. Now it is connected to machine learning models. Where is the output? If guide or if anybody will ask that, okay, what is meaning of this diagram, what I will say. But if somebody will ask what is meaning of this diagram, we can explain. Choose data set, live uploaded data, ML model prediction. For example, here I want to put some AI agent for teaching learning. Okay,
Yes.
so in between teachable machine and ML model. Okay, agentic AI based education in linking. So I'm giving as a human being, so whatever input I give to a human expert, linking teachable machine and ML model. Okay, linking teachable machine and uh, ML model. Now a new input I have given, so I am refining this particular image. So we will see what it will do. It will give me new code, copy code, previous code I will overwrite. Okay, now you can see this image is created. Okay,
Yeah. And this looks better,
it
like,
looks more professional, it
yes,
looks
more
more
professional.
scholarly, more research oriented. Okay, earlier
Mhm.
diagram was okay, but it was looking like a tutorial. It was looking like something we are explaining to some students. But it is looking that as we are working on some research work.
Yes, sir.
So
And all these tools are free to
yes,
use,
yes,
or do we need
definitely.
to
All
pay?
of these are completely free because we are creating this script, and any number of scripts you will be able to create. Otherwise, if you want to create diagrams in AI, you might have seen after some time it asks for the subscription. But here we are not asking the diagram directly. We are not asking the image to be created directly. We are asking it to
Mhm.
create the particular code. We are asking it to create script. Okay, so
Yes, yes.
so many other scripts available, not only this one. Now if I want to convert it in form of a mind map chart, mind map code, so what I will write, convert above code in form of mind map for mermaid.live. Okay, so what I will do, this mind map code will be generated. It means same diagram will be converted in other format. Copy code. I will open a website mermaid.live. I will paste that particular code, and now you can see that this particular diagram is created. Same diagram is converted in this format, and so many other diagrams can be created. You can see at left hand side flowchart, class diagram, sequence diagram, entity relationship diagram, architecture diagram. If I want to create this type of diagram, for example, okay, architecture diagram, so you can generate it. This is the website mermaid.live. This is known as diagram as code service in AI. But major thing is that whatever content we are creating, we should make it acceptance ready, we should make it submission ready. Now I'm showing you some more demonstrations. For example, this is chat gpt. Okay, now I'm creating some diagram like class diagram, okay, or this one is sequence diagram, state diagram, okay, any type of diagram you will be able to take. Okay, state diagram, generate state diagram code for mermaid.live on which, for example, my area of research work is blockchain. Okay, blockchain and IoT, association of blockchain and IoT for security and privacy. Okay, just randomly I'm typing, nothing special. On this topic, for example, this is my topic, this is my area of work on which I want to create diagram. So which type of diagram? State diagram. Enter. One code will be generated. This code is generated. Any number of scripts we will be able to generate. Copy code. I will paste here in mermaid.live. Now you will see this diagram is created. This particular diagram is created. So I have not given any input. What about IoT? What about blockchain? It has automatically taken this input, this particular data. Okay, so you can see that this one, and it is plagiarism free. Okay, now if I want to make it in some other format, in vertical format, okay, convert. I want to use it in mix format. Convert above in mix, vertical and hierarchical format. Okay, rather than top bottom only, because it is in top bottom. What is major problem in this top bottom approach? For example, this is the diagram. Okay, this is correct, but it will not fit in my paper. It will not fit in single slide. If I want to use this diagram in a presentation slide, it will not fit. You can see that I will have to cut it in two parts. If I Even it will take at least 2 to 3 pages in A4 size paper. So this is also a very sensitive part. Okay, this diagram, it can't be fit in single page. It will be fit in 2 to 3 pages. Obviously it will be unprofessional. In single slide it will not be fit. I want to fit this diagram in single slide, in single A4 size paper. So I have asked ChatGPT or that platform to convert this code, mixed. This particular code, new code is there, copy code. Now new code I will paste. We will see what will happen. Now you can see it is better. Now this diagram will fit in research paper, in A4 size paper or in single slide. Okay. If I want to remove some parts, that can also be done. So this is known as content refinement. Rather than taking content directly, what we can do, we can give further prompts. By further prompting, we can get very effective results. Okay. In the same way, if we want to create another type of diagram, for example, this is architecture diagram. Okay.